Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. I hope you all are fine and doing very much well at home. It's time for maths lecture, so all of you, let us begin. We had started exercise 3.5. We had started exercise 3.5 and we were doing word problem questions. We were doing word problems in last lecture. So today we will continue. Today we will continue the exercise 3.5 and we will finish this exercise in today's lecture. So let's start with part C. We have done part A and B in the last lecture. Okay students, so first of all let us read the question. Anish distributed 236 candies in one class and 325 candies in another class. If he had total 700 candies, how many were left? See, there is a boy Anish who is distributing some candies in his school. He distributed some number of candies in class and another number of candies in another class, and some candies are left. Now the question is asking us to find total. Question has the total number of candies also. Total 700 candies you are having. Now the question is asking us to find out the left candies. If your birthday comes, then you also distribute candies in school or chocolates. Likewise, Anish is having birthday. Anish might be having birthday. That is why he is distributing candies in classes. Okay, so let's see. Let's solve. First of all, all of you note down the question. I am giving you some time for noting down the question. All of you note down the question properly. All of you note down the question. I am not writing the question, dear students, but you have to write the question in your notebook, okay? Note down. Students, note down fast. Okay, so let's start the solution, all of you. I hope you all have noted down the question. So, first of all, we will find out the total number of candies he distributed in both the classes. So, let's find it out. Now, all of you stop writing. Total distributed candies. Total distributed candies. First of all, let us find out this, okay? So first let us write the places 100, tens and ones. Now, he distributed 236 candies. Excuse me everyone, first of all we will write about the classes also. Otherwise how we will get to know? First class. Let's write about first class first. First class. How many candies? 236. So 236. 100 tens and ones. places. Now we'll write about the second class. How many candies? 325. 325. Now we need to find the total, so we'll plus it. So let's add them all, starting from the ones place. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. All of you count count 6 finger marks. Count 6 finger marks. Yes, now plus 5 is there, so count 5 more finger marks. First of all, count 6 finger marks. Now plus 5 is there, so count 5 more finger marks. Now count how many finger marks in total? Count them. How many total finger marks? Very good. 11 finger marks. So we will write 1 here and 1 in the form of carry here. If any of you have forgotten the process or how to do addition with regrouping, you can rewatch those videos and learn from there. Okay. Now starting again. Now we are done with ones column. We'll do now tens column. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. All of you add 1 and 3. Add 1 and 3. How many? Very good. 4. Now another number is also there. 2. 1, 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is? Very good. 6. So we will write number 6. Now moving toward last column. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. So all of you first of all open 2 fingers and then open 3 fingers. First open 2 fingers and then 3 fingers. Now count how many fingers in all? Very good. 5 fingers. It means total he distributed total 561 candies. Okay. Now we had find out the total number of distributed candies. Now we will subtract these distributed candies from total candies and we will get the candies left. So now for finding out number of left candies. For finding out the number of left candies, we will subtract. This is the total distributed candies. This is the total distributed candies. Now we will find out the left candies. So we will subtract total candies. How many total candies are there? 700. Total 700 candies are there. Do not forget to write tens, ones and hundreds. Distributed candies. This is distributed candies. Total distributed candies. How many? 561. So let's subtract now. Total 700 candies are there and out of 700 candies, Diyanesh distributed 561 candies. So we will now remove 561 from 700. So starting from the ones place, 0 minus 1. Can we remove 0 from 1? No. So for this we will borrow. For making this bigger we will borrow. Now we cannot borrow a 10 because this is also 0. So we will borrow from hundreds place. So this 7 will become 600 and give 10 tens to this 0 or this tens place. Now we want bigger number here. So again, for making this 0 bigger, this 10 will give 1 10 to this 0 and will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 1. All of you, 10 minus 1. What is the previous number of 10? Very good. 9 is the previous number of 10. So we will write the number 9. Now 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. All of you count 9 fingers. All of you count 9 fingers. Now minus 6 is there. So close 6 fingers. Minus 6 is there. So close 6 fingers. How many fingers are left now? Very good. 3 fingers. So we will write the number 3. Okay. Now moving towards last column. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. Count 6 fingers. Count 6 fingers. Now minus 5 is there. So remove 5 fingers or close 5 fingers. Now how many fingers are left? 1. So we will write the number 1. It means 139 candies are left. So let's write the answer. Students, here no space is left. So I am writing answer here, but you will write the answer below this solution. Okay, I am writing solution here because no sufficient space is not there, but you will write solution below. You will write answer below this solution. Okay students, I am writing answer here. So the question is asking us to find how many candies were left. So we will write there were how many? 139. There were 139 candies left. Now with this writing of answer, we are done with this question. Okay, now all of you note it down properly. First of all, we had founded out the distributed total candies, and then we subtracted this from the total initial candies were there. So total 700 candies were there, and Anish distributed 561 candies. So we subtracted 561 from 700 and got the difference, that is total left, that is left candies. Okay students, now note it down. Note down quickly students. Note down quickly, students. Okay. So students, I hope you all have noted down. Now moving towards next question, part D. All of you read part D. I am rubbing the board. Till then, read part D. Okay. So there were 500 sheets of paper. If Amit used 215 sheets and Anil used 30 sheets, how many were left? See, total number of sheets is given and two person Amit and Anil used some number of sheets. So we need to find out the total sheet left. So first of all, we will add the number of sheets used by Amit and Anil, and then we will subtract those used sheets from total sheets, and we will get the number of sheets left. Okay. So let's start, students. First of all, you all note down the question. Note down the question, dear students. I am not writing question, but you all have to write down the question. I am not writing question, but you all have to write down the question. Now I hope you all have noted down the question. So let's start with the solution. See, first of all, we will find out the total used sheets. So let's write number of sheets used. So how we will find it out? We will add the number of sheets used by Amit and Anil. Amit used how many? 215. Amit used 215 sheets. Do not forget to write about the places, 100, 10s and 1s. Now Anil. Anil used how many? 30 sheets. Anil used 30 sheets. So we will add both the numbers used by Anil and Amit for finding out the total number of sheets used. Starting from the ones place, 5 plus 0. Remember, addition property, whenever 0 is added to any number, the result is number itself. So 5 plus 0 is 5. So we will write 5 here. Now 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. All of you count, open one finger and then open 3 more finger. And then count all the fingers. Open one finger, then 3 fingers. Now count all the fingers. How many fingers total? 4. Very good. So we will write the number 4. Now no number below 2. It means we will write 2 as it is. So total 245 sheets are used. Now we need to find how many sheets are left. So for finding out number of sheets left, we will subtract the used sheets from total sheets. So total, how many sheets were there? 500. Total 500 sheets were there. Now used sheets. How many sheets are used? 245. So we will write 245. Now we will subtract this 245 from 500 and we will get the left number of sheets. So starting from the ones place, let's subtract 0 minus 5. Can we remove 5 from 0? Yes or no? No, because 5 is the bigger number. So now we will borrow. Now once the tens place is also having 0, so we will borrow from hundreds place. This 500 will become 400 and this 10 will become 10 tens. Now we want a bigger number here. So again this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. If you forget subtraction with regrouping or borrowing process, you can rewatch those videos. Okay students, now let's start the subtraction. 10 minus 5. All of you open 10 fingers. Open 10 fingers. Now minus 5. So remove 5 fingers. So close 5 fingers. How many fingers are left? Count them. Very good. 5 fingers are left. So we will write the number 5. Now we are done with ones column. Moving towards tens column. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. So all of you count 9 fingers. Count 9 fingers. Now minus 4 is there. Minus 4 is there. So close 4 fingers. Now count the number of fingers left. Now count the number of fingers left. How many fingers are left? Very good. 5 fingers. So we will write the number 5. Okay. Now moving towards the last column, that is hundreds column. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So all of you open 4 fingers. All of you open 4 fingers. Now minus 2. Minus 2 is there. So remove or close 2 fingers. Close 2 fingers out of those 4. Now how many fingers are left? Very good. 2 fingers are left. So we will write the number 2. So total 500 sheets were there. Out of 500, 245 sheets are used. So 255 sheets are left. Okay student. So we are done with solution. Now we will write the answer. See, sufficient space for writing answer is not there. So I am writing answer here. But you have to write the answer below this solution. You all have to write the answer below solution. Okay. Now let's write the answer. Question was asking us to find how many sheets were left. So we will write there were 255 sheets left. So first of all we added Amit and Anil's used sheets for finding out the total used sheets. Then we subtracted the total sheets from used sheets and we got the left sheets. So this is how we are done with the solution and writing answer to all of you. Note it down. All of you note it down. Note it down with neat and clean writing. All of you note down beautiful handwriting. Okay students, I hope you are done with the writing. So this is all for today's lecture. Now we have completed the exercise 3.4. We will meet in next lecture students. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.